Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm in Florida visiting my family and my mom is here from Hungary, and that means we are going to cook some Hungarian food. This time we're going to make Hungarian Gulyas, which is a very famous Hungarian dish, but a lot of people don't make it right. I have seen so many variations and most of them are not even close to how it's supposed to be. So we will show you how to make it. It is a very simple dish to make with very easy ingredients as long as you know how to do it. What we are making today is goulash soup, which originates from goulash. And the history of goulash dates back to hundreds of years ago, where our cattle herders, the actual Hungarian cowboys, used to be out in the country for weeks at a time herding cattle, and they had to eat out there on the fields. Their dinner was simple. They would take a big pot and place it over the campfire. They would cut up some onions and some bacon and some beef, which was easy because they were herding cattle, right? And they would add some salt, pepper, and paprika, and they would cook that with just a little bit of water. Often they would add potatoes, but sometimes they would just eat it with bread, and that was basically the original goulash. Later on, they would make it with lamb when they were herding lamb, but nowadays you could actually make it with any kind of meat, even with chicken, but usually when we talk about goulash we usually use beef. So gulyasleves is just a small variation from this dish. It is more soupy, as the name suggests. It has more water added, and we add some vegetables. These are usually root vegetables, and you cut up everything into the same size so that they cook evenly, and there it is. It is actually very simple. You don't need any special ingredients.